Okay, dear friends, today we are going to unbox this Ninja foodi blender. I'm sorry, I just cut it open because my first video it was damaged, so I had to redo it. But by the way, I just cut it open. This is what you see. There's a cap on top. I don't have my traditional way of unboxing, but this already opened, and you see. This is the one you get. It's like to push the food or something. It's like that. And then this is a cleaning brush. All the bristles. You see this? It looks very good, high quality plastic. It's very nice built. And then you have few documents here. It's like how to make basil soup and like all this basically fast quick start guide or some how to assemble everything here. It's a beautiful information small booklet, and you have a recipe book, 25 delicious recipes. You see it? It's a beautiful book with all desert dew and everything. They have a lot. This is a instruction owner's guide. You see it? This is the owner's guide. Hope you can see it. Oh, no, sorry, I don't know if you are getting it reverse here. And then, oh wow, this is the one main part. This is pure glass made. Looks very heavy and high quality. I really believe this Ninja because I had my other Ninja. It was non-stop for almost 15 years. I'm still using it. It's like a blender machine. That's a fantastic brand. That's why I believe in it. I don't know, it's your personal choice, but I love this. It's a high quality finishing and a good quality material. This base part is where you have the heating element, so never immerse it in water. This part, it always has to be dry, and it has a self-cleaning machine. I mean, like system. So this is how you take out the lid. It came with that, and you have to push it that way. You have a marker here. You have to markers. Push it open, and this is not easy. It is hardly. It's tightly pressed. It's like a tight sealing. That's good. It has 3 grooves, so it holds very vacuum tight. Like you can see it. I hope. Let's see this. This is how it is. And this is a heavy duty glass jar. I think this is not removable. This is solid. That's good. And then, ow, what you have here? The paper. This is the one inside. This box is empty, as you can see. Nothing more. And if you want to remove the outer box, company box, Ninja foodi blender. This is what it is. This is a fantastic. Actually, this is how the things came. This is a. I had to wait for so many days